The reason why goats are great is because this is what goats do. This is how goats behave. Goats want to just show up in a forest and start eating everything in sight. So last fall, I wrote a grant proposal to bring in some funding to help us try out this type of invasive management. And we were awarded a grant by the Chesapeake Bay Trust for about $13,500 that has paid for us to be able to bring this goats in here to do this invasive management.
The Middle Patuxent Environmental Area is 1,021 acres. It's the largest parkland in Howard County Recreation and Parks system. The reason that we're doing this goat pilot project is that non-native invasive species are the second leading cause of the loss of biological diversity.
And this is before you could not even see through here at all. It was just it's completely defoliated already. I found out that about 20% of our forest understory community are dominated by invasive plants. These plants are increasing in their dominance in the forest, and as a result, it's wiping out our native diversity of plants that are usually here. And the problem with that is that all of our bird species and primarily all of our bug species and butterflies and pollinators and things like that have developed intricate relationships with native plants for millennia. Now, if those plants disappear, then they don't have those relationships anymore, and those bugs disappear, and we see cascading effects through the ecosystem.
Oh, there you go.
They did it. He found it.
Another one's coming. I would like to live with goats. They're so cute. They were mostly just nibbling on plants.
Oh, push it down.
Push it down.
Wait, is that the...
The next step is to actually go back into this area and replant native species, the native understory forest species that really belong in this area.
I've done this a lot with people. Much more with people than goats. And the only thing that I've found that's better than goats is Marines.